Donuts. Coffee shop dito, Jamba, landing soon. Sa Ayala Malls, Cebu City. Guys, open na siya. Over here. Ito yung SNR Evo. Dalawa talaga yung rainbow, oh. Lapit na siyang buksan, guys. Yung rainbow, ang ganda, oh. Dalawa. Merong ano, palaruan. May park. Narili coffee? Watson. Jay, oh. Ay, ang laki ng Chowking, oh. Ito bago 7-Eleven. Dito sa Cebu City. New branch BPI. Meron na, daddy. Wait lang. Yung ginagawa na yan at building, that is also Ayala. Cebu Ayala.